Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.5, Problem 3. This is Section 3.5, Problem 3. We have 16.05 divided by 5. So for a problem like this, you want to initially just ignore the decimal. Just divide 5 into 1,605. And what's going to happen is the decimal will just come straight up into the answer. So 5 divides into 1. 1's not big enough. It won't go. So go to the next digit. 5 divides into 16. That'll go. 5 will go into 16 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract 16 minus 15, you get 1. Look at the next digit over to the right. It's a 0. Bring it down next to the one we just had. 5 divides into 10 twice, evenly. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Bring down the last digit next to the 0, which is a 5. So 5 will divide into 5 just once. And 5 times 1 is 5. Your remainder is 0. And it goes in 3.21 times.